is a very exciting day, isn't it? We are in the midst of a week-long celebration to mark the 4th anniversary of NEP 2020. This policy is changing the education landscape in India, and we are proud to be a part of this journey. We have dedicated this week as Shiksha Saptah to help our school community promote NEP 2020 even more. Let us now begin with a spirited conversation in which Anna and Vinay will delve deeper into the world of NEP 2020.
अरे क्या आप जानते हैं कि यह राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति 2020 की चौथी वर्षगांठ है? क्या वाकई 4 साल हो गए हैं? समय बहुत तेजी से बीतता है। NEP 2020 में क्या-क्या बड़े बदलाव आए हैं? वास्तव में कुछ महत्वपूर्ण बदलाव हुए हैं। इनमें से एक बड़ा बदलाव स्कूल के पाठ्यक्रम और शिक्षण पद्धति का 5+3+3+4 के नए डिजाइन में पुनर्गठन है। इसमें 3 से 18 वर्ष की आयु के बच्चों को शामिल किया गया है, जिसका उद्देश्य शिक्षा को अधिक समग्र, आनंददायक और एकीकृत बनाना है। हाँ, मुझे याद है कि मैंने
In conclusion, the FLN is more than which draws importance to mathematical shapes.
Today, we are presenting a skit, The Best Friends. I am the best. I am round and beautiful. I have no sharp edges, so I am the best. I am the best. I have 4 sides, and all of them are equal in size. I look so beautiful, so I am the best.
I am the best. I have 3 sides. I can draw mountains and pyramids, and many yummy snacks are in my shape. So I am the best. Ha 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 ha. Of course not. No. Of course not. No one can be better than me. I have 4 sides. 2 are equally long and 2 are equally short. I look so beautiful, so I am the best. Star, who among us is the best?
All of your friends, don't fight together. You can create beautiful pictures and patterns.
Oh, yes. Together we can create and understand.
Good morning, one and all. The world is undergoing a vast change and I have 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. Square has 4 sides of equal length and 4 equal angles.
I am a 3-sided closed figure. My shape gives a lot of stability to bridges and towers.
Diamond is also called as rhombus. It has 4 equal sides and opposite angles are equal.
An oval shape is a shape that is an elongated circle and looks like an egg. It has no corners also. Hope you all enjoyed and increased your imagination and learning with this program. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
So it can show many surprises. Today I came with a. Can you send one child, madam?
If a round
Okay, I hope you all children and
otherwise we have to got the name.
Yes, correct answer.
I helps us to see. Eyes help us to see.
People have different eye shapes. What was that? Did you all study? Can anybody from class 10 please come and tell the function of it? Okay, let me explain.
This is the structure of a human eye, which is almost spherical in shape.
It has got various other.
Unbelievable! Learning has become so fun and engaging. The Jadui Pitara is truly a magic box. Concluding this wonderful event, let us take the Nippon oath together. May I request Shiny Ma'am to administer the pledge.
now what is the importance of today? What day is it today? What? Now we are going to take the Nippon pledge. All be in your pledge positions. Hands to ensure a conducive